Yo people, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. Unfortunately, we cannot make a live stream today, so today there will be a video for you guys. And in this video, we're going to discuss how we approach this trade and how you guys can be better traders, because in the end of the day, we want to become better traders. So in this video, I'm going to discuss you which strategy I used to open this trade, because with this trade, we were only a couple dollars off the bottom of Bitcoin here. And guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to already hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching the video right away right now, make sure to smash up the likes, because it's completely free and you're supporting the channel, guys. And I know you guys are already in the live stream smashing the thumbs up so quickly here. So it would be absolutely amazing if we're going to see a 2K liked video once again here today. So let me see if you guys can do it. And also let me know what questions you have here in the comment section, because I will try and answer your questions also still in the comment section. It would be absolutely amazing if you're still dropping some comments and still some questions for me, because we will try and answer, of course, every single one of them. But yeah, it depends on how many questions we have, of course, because if there are too many questions, we cannot answer them all. But yeah, thank you for watching this video already. But in this video, we're going to go in some depth here, because in this video, we're going to discuss how we approach this trade here, what we did live in the stream, because you guys probably know, if I zoom in a little bit to the lower time frames, because this was a trade on Bitcoin that we all took together, we saw this very, very interesting trade here playing out. And I don't know if we're still riding it, but in the Discord server, you are getting updated about when to enter this trade and when to exit this trade. So guys, if you haven't already joined the Discord server, we are giving free signals for a challenge from 5k to 100k, and this was the first trade that we took. And guys, as you already probably know here, is that we caught the bottom exactly here. We just nailed the bottom here of Bitcoin, and we were only a few dollars off. And if we zoom in, let me see how much dollars we were off here, because it was very, very close here. And if I take this measure tool, we were only, let's see, we were only $4.50 away. So that was an absolutely insane button that we caught. And the reason why I'm making this video is very, very interesting, because I saw you guys in the chat and I saw you guys also in the Discord server showing a lot of FOMO. And this is what I want to avoid here, because I want to build a strong community with you guys, and I want to build a profitable community. And how I will do that will be explained in this video, because in this video, we will discuss how FOMO works here. And probably a lot of you guys don't even know that you have FOMO, but you saw the Bitcoin price dumping here. Once we were trying to open this trade, we have this white line here between the red one and the green one is our entry price. So we were watching this. We were watching this live in the stream, and it will also pop up right now in the screen here. I'm just going to let this entry stand, guys. Don't rush into the trade here. Only taking the trade with the least amount of risk, and do want to have this this touch here. Do want to have this touch. So let's see how this will go. Let's see if we're going to see another minor drop off here. Would be very nice, of course. Be very, very nice. It was approximately $13 off the entry of the previous bottom here. So still have to wait a little bit longer here till we're going to hit it. Not rushing into anything. And this is, of course, very unfortunate if we're going to go higher from here on. And then we are absolutely, yeah, this is absolutely, would be very, very, yeah, unfortunate. But right now, I'm not rushing into anything here. Still waiting here, because just like we saw previously in the 1 hourly candle, you saw we are getting bought up all the way to this level, but right now still setting a lower high. So if you still entered the trade over here, you got so wrecked here. So yeah, guys, still waiting here, because I will show you how we reacted to this, because you saw here, if you look to the 5-minute time frame, this was an absolutely insane moment here, because you saw this 5-minute candle just was so barely so close to our entry price. And what we did, we were only $13 off, guys, but we told you guys, if we're not going to hit our price target, it's not a good entry. Then we will wait for the next opportunity. But it was so nice, guys. We waited, we were patient, and we saw this candle getting bought back up here. And I saw a lot of you guys FOMOing into the long position, because this is not what I want. I want to build a strong community together with you guys. And guys, you have to know, I cannot give you any financial advice here, but I'm just giving you my own opinion here on the market. But if I look to this one, this was absolutely perfect how we nailed this. There are probably a lot of new traders here, and they already entered the long here because they saw that we were getting bought back up here. But we as a channel, me, Crypto Rover, the family here, we stayed cool here. So the thing is, what we did, we stayed cool here and we waited another 5 minutes. And the 5-minute candle after that was absolutely an insane 5-minute candle. You saw this next 5-minute candle getting printed, and you saw this wick to the downside, and we were only $6 off here. So, I mean, we almost got the bottom perfectly here. And yeah, we were doing just an amazing job here. So after that, we probably, you already know it, we went into profit, and it was, of course, very, very nice here. But the thing here is that a lot of people once they still entered the trade and they were in profit, they still had a lot of FOMO here. And guys, first of all, if you want to join me on this challenge from 5K to 100K, this is a challenge that we are doing on FAMX. And you can use my FAMX referral link if you want to support the channel as well here. And if you want to join every single trade here, you can join the Discord server, because in the Discord server, we will keep you guys updated about every single step we are taking in this challenge. Even once we are moving our stop loss, even once we are moving our entry price, or even if we are going to add some more to our position. So if you want to participate in this challenge, you really want to join the Discord server, because in this server, you will kept updated about every single move that we are taking. So what we're going to discuss right now is the two types of FOMO that you also are having, because there are two types of FOMO. You have one type of FOMO of entering trade, what a lot of people did over here. And this is what I want to discuss here, because I want to become better traders altogether. So here there was FOMO that people wanted to rush into the trade, and I, of course, did not do it. And yeah, we exactly nailed the bottom here, so that was absolutely amazing, of course. And there's also a type of FOMO once we are seeing this correction coming in, and people are saying, okay, I need to get out of here. If you watch the stream of 2 days ago, also, you saw that we were just chilling around here and not doing anything, because as you probably already know, we were willing to add even more to our position, but a lot of people were saying, okay, should I exit the trade? Should I exit the trade? But I was telling you guys, please chill down and I will give you the signals. But I want you guys to learn as well here, because of course I'm giving you the signals, but in the end of the day, I want to help you guys to become a better trader. So what we did is trying to get another quantity and long position in here. So we wanted to add more to our position, but unfortunately we didn't reach our target. Our target was approximately, let me see, it was also a few dollars off. It was only $60 to $40 off here on the Bitcoin price here. And so that was also very, very close here. And of course, it's very unfortunate, but in the end of the day, we didn't got it. So we deleted that one and also kept you guys updated here. And now you are seeing this price increase once again happen. And of course, a lot of people are wondering, when will you take profits here? And maybe this Fibonacci line will act as resistance, and probably once this video is uploaded, you guys are already knowing it. But this video is basically making you aware to not FOMO into a trade, because we are giving you signals, very, very clear signals on the chart. And guys, the only thing that we are doing here on the channel is not freaking out here, because a lot of people are freaking out here, and that is not my strategy, because you know, a lot of people that are freaking out here, they are already entering the trade and then maybe going to exit the trade once you do want to enter the trade. Because guys, I mean, we nailed this bottom, of course, but it was multiple things why we nailed it. Of course, it was analysis. We drew this perfect line here and we touched it perfectly, what is of course very, very nice here in the Bitcoin chart. And I mean, there are multiple factors here. We have a second touch here, and this second touch is not the most beautiful touch, but right now, also in this new 4-hourly candle we're right now watching, so it is very, very nice. And probably once you are watching this this video, we already know what happened, and unfortunately I cannot know it right now, but once this video is uploaded, you guys are already knowing it. But this video is basically more about how you approach a trade. It's not, you don't want to panic here, because a lot of people got wrecked here because they were panicking, and that is not what our channel is standing for. We are trying to get the least amount of risk for our long position, and this was once again an opportunity here for us. So this was the opportunity, what we saw. And in this opportunity, we saw that we didn't have to take a lot of risk here to get a potential good reward in. So guys, that is also the strategy what we are using here on the channel, and you have to know it, because we want to help you guys here. But the thing here is that it's very hard to help you guys if you are just panicking. But guys, the message of this video is basically to tell you guys that you don't want to panic and rush into a trade. And it was very unfortunate if we just missed our entry, but of course we nailed our entry here. And if we just missed it out by $20, it was not worth it. So this is basically the message that I do want to send to you guys. And unfortunately, I know there is no live stream today, and I would like to do a live stream. And of course, you also want to know some more market signals. And yes, we will still give you these market signals, only there won't be the live stream. So these market signals will right now be given here in the Discord server. But guys, it's going to be a very short video today, and tomorrow there will be a live stream once again. So I hope to see you guys all back here in the live stream of tomorrow, and I hope I informed you guys a little bit more here about not panic selling here. Thank you for watching here. Make sure to smash up the like, and I know it's not the video that you guys want here, but hopefully you still learned from it. And please don't ever FOMO into a trade, because you saw that we exactly nailed the bottom here. And also we were using the FAMX chart, and everyone who had the FAMX chart here was doing a very good job here. Because guys, you have to know, you want to use the same exchange as me, because otherwise I say some numbers and some digits here that are not correctly. So another reason to use the FAMX referral link here in the description, because we are doing this challenge all together. And if you're just using the same exchange here, you're also supporting the channel for using the referral link. and you're also having more clear signals when to open the trade, because a lot of people were also entering this trade on Binance or on Bybit. But if you are just using the same exchange there, you can also benefit from it. So we will try and open the next trade as soon as possible, of course, but we will not rush into a trade here. And guys, besides that, it was, of course, a little bit of a different video. It was not a live stream, what I would like to do, of course, but unfortunately, I could not do a live stream today. Right now, sitting around 40.1k subscribers, so thank you already also for subscribing. Probably once this video is online, already smashed through the 15k here or so. Don't even know where we will be sitting, but guys, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and then will see you guys tomorrow in the live stream. So make sure to be ready for tomorrow. And yeah, guys, don't FOMO into a trade, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.